I study in class 9 and my school name is Bhartiya Vidya Bhavan in Agra. My topic is motion. So let's start. What is motion? A body is said to be in motion if it changes in position with respect to its surrounding. For example, a running car. Rest. A body is said to be rest if it does not change in position with respect to its surrounding. For example, a train at station. Distance. This is total part covered by the initial and final position. Displacement. This is sorted distance between initial and final position. Vector quantity. Vector are those physical quantities that have both direction and magnitude. For example, calculator knot. Scalar quantity. Scalar are those physical quantities that have only magnitude. For example, magnitude. Types of motion. There are two types of motion: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, if an object covered by equal distance, equal interval of time, is said to be in uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, if an object unequal distance in equal interval of time, is said to be non-uniform motion. Speed. The speed of moving object is the distance traveled by its per unit time. Speed का formula होता है total distance upon में total time. ऐसा unit of speed meter per second. Types of speed. There are two types of speed: uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Uniform speed when an object equal distance in equal interval of time. It is called uniform speed. Non-uniform speed when an object unequal distance in an equal interval of time. It is called non-uniform speed. Average speed. Average speed is defined total distance per unit time. Average speed को formula total distance upon the total time. Its SI unit of average speed meter per second. Velocity. Velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. Velocity formula displacement upon में time frequency. SI unit of velocity meter per second. Velocity को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करें: इनिशियल वेलोसिटी एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी.